Okay, we are going to start our Prince Charming costume with the pants. All we're gonna do is add some gold ribbon up the sides of his pants. I'm going to use, there's a natural crease from the fold. I'm just going to use that as my guide. I'm going to take it all the way up to the elastic waistline. I'm also going to measure a little extra on this side to fold it over to glue underneath. Okay, go ahead and let that dry and do the same thing to the other side and your pants are all done. I'm going to go ahead and begin Prince Charming's shirt. So begin with a white dress shirt and preferably try to find one without a pocket. And also if you're able to find a shirt with a mandarin collar, then you can skip this step. I wasn't able to, so I'm gonna go ahead and kind of doctor the collar up myself. I just don't want this button to show, so I'm going to fold these in and just hot glue them in just so it creates a nicer line right there. So I'm going to do a little snip right here as well as right here, and I'm just going to take a little quarter piece out. I'm going to pinch that down and then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to cut that a little more so I can fold it a little further. And I'm going to put some glue right there and then fold that over as well. Now don't worry too much about this messy part right here because our ribbon trim that goes around the neck should hide that. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, specifically to get rid of that buttonhole right there. I'm going to do the same thing and I'm just going to glue those edges down. I'm going to fold this just about to the collar's original seam right there. This seam will be covered with trim. I'm going to go ahead and fold this collar to get rid of that angle. I'm going to fold it in just at that seam, and then I'm going to also fold this down to match the seam, the beginning of the collar. We're just going to fold it down like so. I'm going to add a glue line right here and just fold the whole thing down at once. Next, I'm going to get my red ribbon. I am using 7/8 inch thick ribbon. Lay that down to measure it, and then I want to cover up the inside a little bit. So I'm going to do enough to fold it in and glue it over like so. And then we'll glue that onto here and it'll be great. We're going to move on to some of the accent detail pieces that go on the front of the shirt. You need 6 of these total, 3 for each side that you can line up. For your reference, for Beckham, we're making him a 2T, 3T shirt. I measured about 12 inches of this per shape, and there was plenty on one roll of trim to get 6 12-inch pieces. So start by cutting out your trim. Cut each piece the same length. You can knot it if you don't want that frayed look at the bottom. So I knotted mine. I'm going to keep this here kind of as my guide so that they all look uniform. This is about how long I did, so I'm going to make my first loop And I'm just gonna pinch it there, and I'm gonna play with it a little bit to make sure I have enough as I continue to loop my other two. Okay, looks like I'll have about enough. I can obviously mess with the shape more. I'm going to add a little dot of glue right there, just to hold it in place. Now that that's set, I'm gonna go on to the middle loop. All right, I'm gonna add glue right on top of the seam of the first two. Our final loop. So I'm gonna add some more glue right there and pinch it down. Okay. And there is our detail for the front of Prince Charming's shirt. Okay, to make his belt, all you need to do is measure your child's waist and then add about an inch to that. So lay your piece of felt flat and get your gold ribbon. This will be the same that you use down the seam of the pant legs. And you're just gonna lay it across like so and hot glue it down, but don't take the gold all the way to the other edge because that's where we're going to put our piece of Velcro. And then you're going to take some of your swirly gold trim. We're gonna go up and down either side of the gold ribbon. So once you've glued that down, you'll glue this on one edge and this on the other edge like so. It'll look like that. And then we can just add our Velcro. Next, we're going to make the shoulder pads that go on each side of the collar we created. So go ahead and cut out 4 squares and then round the edges. Just measure the length of your shirt from the bottom of the collar to the tip of the shoulder, and then I actually made mine a little bit longer just so it'd hang over the edge of the shoulder a bit. And then get your gold fringe trim. And all you're going to do is take your glue gun and you're going to do glue around those 3 sides. Then we'll place the other piece on top like a sandwich to seal it in. And we have our 2 shoulder pads. Now that I've finished my collar and my accent pieces, I'm going to go ahead and start just gluing them together. But you can just lay it out and see what you like and how it looks best. Be sure to leave enough room at the bottom for your belt to go across and have a little bit of the shirt flare out from under the belt. I'm going to go ahead and just start gluing everything together. I'm gluing my last piece of trim onto the front of Prince Charming's shirt. Press that down. Do a dot under each of the loops just to secure that trim. The last thing we need to do to his shirt are the cufflinks. So I've already unpicked the buttonholes, and Beckham's arms, this shirt is too long. So I'm actually going to, I've measured him already, and I'm gonna fold this up once. You don't have to do this if your child's arms fit already, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. And then all we're going to do is wrap some red felt. I'm gonna go ahead and line this up with my cuff. I cut my cuffs 2.5 inches by 8 inches. I just measured the length of the fold that I created, and I added about 1/2 inch just so we have a little wiggle room. And then I also measured the circumference, which was about 7.5 inches. So I gave myself an extra 1/2 inch just to overlap the red felt. So I'm gonna line it up about right there. I'm gonna leave a little bit, see if you can see the red peeking out, just so that we don't have any white showing. And I'm going to glue it all the way around and overlap it like so. And then I'm going to add another gold button just like these right here and add it right there just like a cufflink button would be. And that is it. Right, our final step, we are doing Velcro. This actually has adhesive on one side, but I'm gonna add hot glue just to reinforce it. And I'm just gonna add maybe about 4 strips spaced out. You can Velcro the whole thing if you want, I just don't wanna use that much. So I'm gonna put the spiky side here just in case this ever touches your kid's skin. I want it to be the softer side. All right, now that we've created these shoulder pads, we're just gonna go ahead and attach them to the shoulder line of Prince Charming. Now, our Prince Charming is complete. We are done.